Hello everyone, this is Nityanandam from Informatica Global Customer Support. Now we are going to see how to set up alerts in cloud application integration. Alerts are useful in many cases as they help us in identifying issues immediately and act upon them. Alerts reduces the need of login to the application UI and monitoring the processes. In cloud application integration, we have inbuilt alert service using which we can set up alerts without the need of manually implementing the alert logic. The prerequisites for the alert setup in cloud application integration are SMTP server details, using which we will send the emails, and a valid email address that will be used as a sender address. Now let's go to the demo. To configure the alerts in cloud application integration, log into the Informatica Intelligent Cloud Service and open the application integration console. In the application integration console, go to the server configuration page, and in the top drop-down, you can select either cloud server or any one of your secure region machine to configure the alert service. Before configuring alert service, we need to configure the email SMTP service. So enable this checkbox and fill all the required details. SMTP server hostname, port number, the from address. This is the email address. This will be used as a sender email address when you receive the alerts. And this is the authentication type used by the SMTP server. So username and password for the SMTP server authentication. And this is a security mechanism used by the SMTP server. Once after filling all these details, click the save button and click the test to verify if the configuration is correct. Enter an email address and click the send button. We can see here the test is successful. Let's go to the email. So here we can see I got the test email successfully. So this verifies that our configuration is successful. Let's go to the configuration of alert service. To configure the alert service, enable this checkbox and provide the valid email address. You will be receiving all the alerts to this email address. And in the action property, select the send email and save the configuration. That's all. Now we have successfully configured the alert service. To verify this, let's go to the application integration, and I have created one process, and this process is going to perform a arithmetic operation, division by 0. So this process is going to fail at the runtime. Let's see if we are able to get the notification for this fault. I've published it. Now let's click run. As expected, this process is failed with the division by 0 exception. Let's go to the application integration console, processes, refresh. Now we can see that this process is faulted. Let's go to the inbox. Here we got an email with the process related details. The alert service provides one more option. Instead of getting an email, you can trigger your own process. To do that, you can go to the action and click custom service. We have to provide the process unique name here to trigger that process in case of any fault. For that, first we have to configure the process. Let's go to the application integration. I have already created one process. So this process, if you go to the start step you have to select the event as a binding option instead of rest and soap, and in the event source name you have to select this system events runtime alert service, and you can implement your custom logic to perform your use case. Here I haven't configured any custom logic. Now we can click publish to publish this process, and let's go back to the application integration and give the process name here and click the save button. So in case of any fault occurs in any other processes, this process is going to be triggered. Let's verify that. Let's go to the application integration. Let's create a new process. Click save and then publish. Now let's run this process and let's see if that custom process is getting triggered or not. Click run, click new input, test, click save. Okay, now click run. We got the error message. Let's go to the console and processes, refresh. Now we can see the test process is faulted, and as expected the custom process that we configured under the alert service started executing. In this video we have learned how we can configure alerts using alert service in cloud application integration. You can have these documents as reference for the same. We would love to hear from you. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us using the below addresses. Thank you.